Don't miss our quick and easy tutorial to painting urban bases. So our first step is to see if what we're going to put on the base actually fits on the base. Then we're going to prime the base. Step 2 of this process is do a light spritz just so it looks like it kind of snowed onto this black primer with a gray. And for this one, we're going to use the Army Painter Uniform Gray. So now that we got that done, it's time to jump in and start grabbing some browns. Our first brown is going to be the darker red oxide. And we're just going to get in here, we're just going to kind of spritz it in random places to kind of start to accent the overall base. Now we're going to take the lighter skag brown and we're going to cover some new areas, but also kind of feather it into some of these darker areas here too. Now it's the dry brush phase, so we're just going to grab Celestra Gray. So we're just going to go a liberal dry brush over top of everything. So this is just going to fade it all back. There's only one more coat left, and that's the Ulthan Gray. So we get a little bit of it on our dry brush here. And then we're just going to hit some of the strategic areas, just like maybe the tops of certain areas here, and just kind of any place that makes sense for contrast. And the very last step is to go around the edge of the base and get that nice black contrast on there. And my go-to for that is Vallejo Surface Primer, the black stuff. And there it is, it dries fast. You just have to be a little careful going around the lip there so that you don't get any on the top right here. And that's pretty much it.